Easter in Slovakia is one of the few holidays where the morning doesn't start with coffee, but with a cold shower without warning. Imagine you're still asleep, it's early in the morning, birds are singing outside and suddenly the door bursts open. A group of guys runs in, someone is playing the accordion, the others are singing, and you know this is bad, and here it goes. First the whip, hand-woven, nicely decorated, but it's still a stick and then water cold. Sometimes gently, other times so much that you feel like you just went through an ice bath. And now comes the best part, you're supposed to say thank you. Yes, you smile, say thank you, and even give them a reward. Eggs, sweets, and if they're older, also something to warm them up. The more houses they visit, the happier they get. And by the end of the day, the accordion is played in a completely freestyle way, but to be fair, it has its meaning. It is said that water and whipping bring health and energy for the whole year, and then there is the second half of Easter, food, tables full of ham, sausages, eggs and cakes. Everyone says they'll just have a little. And 10 minutes later they're sitting in front of a plate that looks like a small mountain, and of course, the classic comes, have some more. And you know you have no choice. Easter in Slovakia is simply a combination of tradition, music, food and water. It's loud, cheerful and a little crazy, so if you want to experience it, bring a smile. And maybe also some spare clothes.